Hi everyone. In today's video, we're talking about Alfred Marshall, one of the most influential economists of the late 19th and early 20th centuries. His work helped to lay the foundation for modern economics, and his ideas are still taught today. Marshall is best known for his groundbreaking book, Principles of Economics, 1890, which brought together concepts like marginal utility, supply and demand, elasticity, in an economic surplus into one cohesive framework. Let's start with his famous supply and demand curves. According to Marshall, demand decreases as prices go up. That's why the demand curve slopes downward. On the other hand, supply increases with higher prices, which is why the supply curve slopes upward. Where these two curves meet, you find the equilibrium price, the point where supply perfectly matches demand. Marshall also introduced the concept of partial equilibrium analysis. Instead of analyzing the entire economy at once, he focused on specific markets to understand how prices are determined. This approach was later expanded into general equilibrium theory by economists like Leon Walras. One of Marshall's key contributions was his ability to merge economics with mathematics. In the preface to his book, he referred to economics as the biological method of studying society, blending mathematical precision with the complexities of human behavior. He believed that the concept of equilibrium, borrowed from mechanics, was crucial for understanding economic stability. Fun fact, Marshall is credited with popularizing the term economics, moving away from the older term political economy. This shift reflected his vision of economics as a more scientific and precise field. Alfred Marshall's work continues to influence how we study and understand markets, prices, and economic behavior. His legacy lives on in classrooms and textbooks around the world. If you enjoyed this quick dive into Alfred Marshall's contributions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. See you in the next one.